Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cat by Nagendra. Now let's continue with these options. So we'll start here with lofted boss. So what is meant by this lofted boss means we are able to add material between two different profiles which are at different heights. Now let's say for example on the top plane I'll go for sketch. We are having one square here like this. Just by giving dimension we'll make it fully defined. Then exit sketch, I'll make it isometric. Now at ground level we are having this rectangle. We need to create one more profile at some distance. So if you want to draw some profile at some distance, directly we are not able to create here. So for that one we need to create some proper support. So for that support we are going to use this reference elements. Just if I go for reference geometry, we are having here plane, axis, coordinate system, point and made reference. Now to create any profile, we need here a reference plane. Let me click on reference plane. Then first reference we need to select. With reference to which one you want to create that extra plane. For that we need to create just above that like this, right? So just I'll open this tree and I need to create one plane with reference to this top plane. Why? Because first sketch this shape we have drawn on top plane, same I need one more at some distance. So just I'll take reference as this top plane like this. Then we are able to give distance how much we want height here. Let me give some distance of some 150 like this. Then same plane if you want in reverse direction, we can make it here flip offset like this. Same plane we will get on other side. Then if you want again extra planes with the same distance, we can use here instances more like this. Whenever we are having equal distance between plane to plane for multiple planes, directly we can use instances. Now present I need only one plane. Let me give one and let's say OK. Again for second reference, third reference, in future tutorials we are going to learn about that. Just we need only a simple one. Let's say OK. Then on this plane I need to draw one sketch. Let me enter into sketch and let me make it here normal. Let's say for example here also we are having one square like this. Then exit sketch, isometric. We need to add material between these two rectangular profiles like this. For that purpose we can use here lofted boss. So we are able to select profiles here. We need to add material between this profile to this profile. Just I'll click like this. As you can see, properly this material will be added like this. So next we are having here guide curves. So if we are having any reference supports, we can use as guide curves. So in this condition we are not having any reference supports. So directly we can say OK like this. Let me go back by using Ctrl+Z or directly we can use here. Just I'll go back. For example, in the place of this rectangle, let me create one circle here. Just I'll create one circle. Exit sketch, isometric. Again we'll go for lofted boss. So first profile is this, second profile is this. Like this properly material will be added. Sometimes this point will be somewhere here. As you can see, that entire material will be having here in taper shape. So if you want to adjust properly, just we can drag and we can adjust that. Let me keep it here top view by using Ctrl+5. Just we will adjust this properly with that proper orientation and let's say OK. Like this we are able to add material between two different profiles which are at different heights. Now this plane if you want to hide, just mouse right click on that plane, we can hide in this way, or else just if we click on this eye symbol, all it will be hidden extra geometrical elements. That is about this lofted boss. Again opposite to that we are having here lofted cut. So if you want to remove material between two profiles which are at different heights, we can go here with lofted cut. Now let me make it here reverse. On this face, I will go for sketch, make it normal. Let me create one square here, exit sketch, isometric. One more profile we want on bottom. I'll go for sketch. I'll make it normal. Just I'll create one circle here. So with this shape, we need to remove material here. So for that, we can go here directly for lofted cut. Select the first profile. So this is the first sketch here, rectangle. Let me show this. This plane I don't want. Just mouse right click, I'll hide this. Then lofted cut. First profile is this. Second profile is this. See, properly material will be removed. Just I'll say okay. Now let me take cut section and we are able to see with which shape material is removed here like this. Downside we are having circle, upside we are having rectangle. Like this we can do this lofted boss and lofted cut. Then next we are having here boundary boss and boundary cut. So this boundary boss will be same similar to lofted boss. Boundary cut will be same similar to lofted cut. Just a little difference is there. Let me show that. Just I'll go back by using Ctrl plus Z. Now let's say for example same shape we are having here. Instead of using lofted boss, I will go here with boundary boss. First profile is this. Second profile is this. Same as it is we are getting. So to make this proper position, let me keep it here top view and let me adjust this dot exactly to this coordinate like this. Then same we are able to get the same shape which we have seen in lofted boss, but here if I open, we are able to see some options here. If I keep it normal to profile, as you can see, taper shapes we are able to get like this. Again, if I keep it here normal to profile, like this we are able to see, and we are able to adjust this shape dimensions also. For this profile, we are able to see like this. So with this different shape we will get when you are going here with boundary boss. Lofted boss means it will material will be added in a straight way. So if you want like this in different shapes, we can use here boundary boss. Same if you want to remove material with these different shapes, we can go for boundary cut. Let me go for sketch here. Just I'll create one rectangle. On this bottom face, just I'll create one circle. Same similar to that, like before what we have taken. Same similar example I'll take. We'll go with boundary cut between this to this. So just we'll make this proper position with reference to this, like this. Here also I'll make it normal to profile. Here also I'll make it normal to profile. We are able to adjust the properties here like this. Whichever the shape we want, we can make it here like this. Either you want downside or upside, like this we are able to change, and let's say okay. If I make cut section, as you can see, with a different shape material is removed here. So in this way we are able to use this boundary boss and boundary cut, again lofted boss and lofted cut. I hope you have understood this. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If any doubts you have regarding this, please let me know in comment box. Hello everyone, welcome to